Thank you for buying this 15993 2-pack hinge from Fixture Displays. This is made from stainless steel, powder-coated black, fairly heavy. A pair weighs a pound. Come with these screws. The metal plate is 3 millimeters thick, so fairly hardy. The width, when extended, is 3 inches, and the height is 4 inches. Diameter of this center rod piece on the outside is right about half an inch. I invite you to browse fixturedisplays.com for many other business and consumer products we have to offer. Making cuts on the door frame and door. You want to make sure you measure properly. And there are 4 screw hole positions on each side. This is perfect to hang your door nice and even, especially for heavier doors. I hope you enjoy this product. Do like us, subscribe, remember leave a good seller feedback along with a product review. Thank you once again for shopping Fixture Displays.